We are proud to showcase the 7th Rail and Metro Technology Conclave and Expo 2026, platform for new technologies in the rail and metro sector of India. The event brought together industry leaders, innovators, policymakers, and technology pioneers under one roof. Exhibitors presented cutting-edge solutions in rolling stock, signaling, electrification, digital systems, and safety solutions. Thank you to all our exhibitors, partners, speakers, delegates, and visitors for making the exhibition an outstanding success.